Part 2, we back. So now we're doing even more stuff. So we've got some cooler things to add on to the car. We didn't want to make the vlog way too long, so we'll start now. Like the video right now. Like the video right now. Comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let's begin. You ready to start gunning?
I'm ready. Travis.
I'm ready. All right, now. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. All right, guys. Yep, all right, guys. All right, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Some Downstar burned bolts here for the steering wheel. There you are, Mr. Sparko. We're going to bring this guy down. We're going to mount it, and then we're going to install the steering wheel. It's going to look very nice. Trappy's buttoning up that steering column now. Put two crispy 12 mils under there. We're trying to really use every clean bolt in this car, guys. Like, I'm emphasizing on every single bolt to be clean on this car. So anything that looks somewhat dirty, we are not using it. And if we have to replace it, then I've got my screws back there. But I'm really emphasizing on all these small details. And you'll see it. Like, when the car is done, you'll notice it. Like, you'll be like, wow, that screw doesn't look bad. But I think I'm ready to go mount up that steering wheel on the hub trap on the quick release. Here you go, gunners. Part number coming up. That is the Sparko steering wheel that I'm using. You will call Tri-State Motorsports. You will speak to Danny. Call Tri-State Motorsports. I'm trying to help you out. I'm trying to bless you. I love you. Pause. I want the same steering wheel, or I want a Sparko steering wheel like Aki. This is the model number that I want. He's going to take care of it. You're going to pay a beautiful price. I already know that everyone's going to try and get this steering wheel here. We've seen it. It's a deep dish yellow. It's beautiful. It's suede. It's going to match Kobe perfectly. So I'm going to put this hub on it here. Get this guy going. I've got my titanium bolts. We'll try to keep this under. Keep that centered. But yeah. I'm also going to take these. I'm going to thread lock these later. Let me just make sure this is right. Oh, that's beautiful. All right, so I'm going to thread lock these guys later. I just want to get this going. I don't want to bore you with that part. But this steering wheel is badass. And if you're a gunner, you ain't paying no retail. And we know this. And we know this, man. Man, Frank really killed these burned, Trappy, Frank killed these screws, bro. The titanium burned, cabrón. También, cabrón. Yeah. Cabrón, that Mexican know what he doing, bro.
Big shout out to a little Mexican.
Big shout out to little Mexico.
Worst mustache in the community.
Worst mustache in the community?
Hell yeah, 100%.
Yo, Frank. Trappy coming for you, Frank. Trappy coming for you, man.
Never forget, me and Frank downstarred a Jeep Wrangler 4 years ago.
What happened?
My Wrangler was downstarred 4 years ago.
Oh, you downstarred a Wrangler?
Bin Trail.
I ain't gonna hold you. That's rice.
Yeah, alright, nigga.
I ain't gonna hold you. That's rice.
Alright, one question. How many downstar Jeeps have you seen?
I ain't.
Alright then.
I'm not.
Alright then. You ain't running into another nigga with a downstar
Like
Jeep.
I said, I'm not holding you.
Nice.
Yo, cabrón, when you see the steering wheel right now, cabrón, it's litty. I'm almost done, gunners. I got one screw left. I'll do the rest on the car. I'm just super excited to see this guy line up. I am so excited to see this steering wheel on. So, alright, give or take. Didn't even tighten it all the way, but look at that deep dish with the yellow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go put it on. See it on, Trappy. Yeah, watch your
Oh,
hands.
nah.
Yeah, watch your hands, bro. That's suede, Papa. That's suede. Oh. Oh my God.
Where's the fucking...
Come on. Come on. Come on, man. You on camera, bro.
Oh, you set me up.
Oh, come on. No, I ain't locked in, bro. What's up with this guy? Yo, what's up with this guy, man? Wow.
Titanium. That's fire.
Wow.
Yeah.
Trappy.
It's a good look.
That yellow, though, with the black, the needles, the chassis, the dash.
Big drip.
Okay, let me see from right here. Watch your cabeza. Oh my God, Gunners, talk to me nice. Not twice. Ale, cabrón. Ale.
You be talking about my cussing. You
Nah,
don't think
YouTube
Google?
don't- nah.
You don't think
Nah,
YouTube check Spanish?
Nah, YouTube ain't on the cabrón. They ain't on that. Come on.
Come on, trap.
Nah, this is coming out great. Wow, man. It is coming together, Gunners. It is coming together. That. Oh, man.
It's clean.
I love that steering wheel, bro.
No, that's
I love
clean.
that steering wheel.
That setup right there looks
Yeah, that's a nice
crazy.
setup. Next day, guys. So I went ahead today. I finally found this piece. I thought I lost it. So I hung it up last night, sanded it, cleaned it up, did the buttons on it for the dimmer, then that block off. I painted that. I went with trim black on this cover here, and looking good. So I'm gonna start adding more stuff to the car now, and then just keep you guys in the loop. And why am I talking like I'm whispering? Hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's vlogs, man. Yesterday's vlog. It was exciting to put all this stuff together. This steering wheel combo, man. Oh my God, it's just, it came out better than I expected. I'll be honest with you. So get this guy in here. I don't know why he's giving me a hard time. Looks like I'm about to break this clip. Come on. Should I put this down first? Let me get this wire out of the way, because it has to go up and down like that. I'm blocking it. Oh, it's got to go in that vent. He's dying. He's dying. He's dying. What movie's that from? No, I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm alive. He's dying. He's dying. He's dying. What movie is that from? First person to comment gets pinned. He's dying. He's dying. He's dying. He's dying. There it is. There it is. Man, that looks so nice. Gotta bear with me. Look at that. He's dying. He's dying. He's dying. No, I'm alive. I'm alive. No, I'm alive. Wow. What do you got? What do you got, Gunners? What do you got? Talk to me nice, not twice. What do you got? Love the way it looks. I love it. Everything's function. Man, that cluster just looks so badass, man. There's something about those yellow needles, man. And when that lights up red, it's going to be a good look. Let's move on. One more time. One more time. Let me emphasize on this view right here. I'm sorry. Hold on. Let me move the camera for you guys. Oh my God, look at that. That's gonna look crazy. wanted to show you guys the Downstar bolts that we put in last night. Pause. I knew it, man. I knew to keep this bar like a polished, because it just, the contrast of the black and purple and then the black and, it makes so much sense, man. We've really got to get a nice tie bar on here. We really have to get a nice one, man. I just got to figure out which one. And you guys gave some awesome suggestions, but look at that, man. I'm going to take this camera off this stand and just show you these bolts. What do you guys think, man? What do you guys think about this? I love the way it came out. This lighting is awful because of the door, see? But I think you get the gist. Now, again, this tie bar, it's got to be crucial. Gotta be crucial. We've got to do the right thing with it. I'm loving the front suspension. When I say I'm loving it, I am loving this front suspension, man. It is coming together so nicely. We could literally eat off of it. You know what I mean? And that is the best part about this build, is that it's so clean that you can actually see the details and appreciate them. Like if someone's looking under your hood and is just snooping around being nosy, there it is. You'll see like the zinced bolts, man. Like you will see all of that and the details, man. Yo, you hanging or you working?
He's working.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, you're working. So we've got a couple of brackets here that we need to basically bring back to life and restore. This will be for the, that armrest piece. So we're going to trim black that. This is for the emergency brake cables. This is going to look really clean on that yellow and black. And then this is for basically the center console, right where that skeleton comes down from the dashboard. So we'll clean all that up. I'll hang it up, put some heat on it, acetone it, paint it, and then so on and so forth. So this is basically the bin that I had for interior. I've got a bunch of bolts and nuts that I could use, that are zinced and clean. But nonetheless, we're gonna. So 40 just said, Aki, when you're done with this car, you need to go on vacation. So I made him a promise that when I'm done with this car and we give it away, I'm going to send him to Puerto Rico for 2 weeks, right? Yeah. Who are you going to stay with?
My sister.
He's going to stay with his sister. I'll pay for your flight. I'll give you some money to spend over there. 2 weeks, we back to work, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, we back to work.
Yeah.
My man, I got you. That's my word. I got these guys all hung up. I'm going to turn the heat back on. Just gave it a nice little light coat of black. And that's it. We're moving along. We're gunning, man. We're gunning. Don't kill me. I took the carpet out. I am going to put the bracket in that's going to block the carpet, yes. But I'd like to add these parts now to where I want to see how clean they look, and I can always take them back apart. That guy I won't run into an issue with for the emergency cables, but I've got some stuff, some fibers here. Trust me, I'm going to take this carpet in and out over 10 times. I'm going to make sure this car is perfect. That down there. I'm probably just going to, I want to see how these cables are going to run. So these cables are going to actually go up here first. This is all just mock-up stuff for later on, man. We're going to do this right. So this guy goes down here. Those two are going to bolt on the side. I've got some real clean 12 mils from it. They're zinced also. Yeah, I know, man. I know. Maybe overboard, but it is what it is. Put that guy there. Aim this here. But this is starting to come together so nicely, man. And I see you guys are appreciating it. Got some paint in this thread. Just get through it. Leave you there. Wow. That bracket looks real nice. I'll get you guys a better angle from this side. But this is going to look beautiful. Especially with these clean bolts. We are chasing perfection. How sweet does that look, guys? So we've got like this awesome contrast of like the black and yellow. So check it out. It starts like right here almost, right? So you got your black and yellow. Come down here, you're gonna have that black bracket there, the plate, the entire dashboard. A lot more. So it's coming together though, man. It's doing well. It's a lot of work, but it's gonna be worth it at the end, man. They're gonna call this the greatest EK ever, man. Got that bracket on, working on that bracket there. I got my 12s there, and that's pretty much it. This is really starting to piss me off, so I'm probably just gonna get another one of these and then repaint it. I think this top one's messed up. I can't get it to close. Us Honda owners know what this is about, but it has to look perfect. It must look perfect. Well, Gunners, I'm out of here. I've got a few things to take care of on the car. Nothing really important to vlog, just more cleaning of old parts and sanding and all that. But just wanted to remind you today, Killer Bee giveaway. KeepGunning.com, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You cannot see it yet because it's not posted on the website yet. So enjoy this vlog. Hopefully this gets you through the time until the giveaway starts. Killer Bee. Free shipping on the motor anywhere in the world. You're allowed to participate. It ends Sunday, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Good luck to everyone that's participating. You're going to get a cool shirt, a cool sticker, and I wish you all the best luck, man. Let me know how I did today on today's vlog, and I'd appreciate your thumbs up, some comments, whatever you guys want to spread, man. Some love would be great right now. Some love would be great. So with that being said, I won't post this weekend. Enjoy your weekend. And I'll catch you guys Monday. Keep gunning.